Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve traffic violation defense with Ticket Clinic easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your traffic violation defense with Ticket Clinic, follow these simple steps. First, gather all relevant documents related to your traffic violation. This includes the ticket, any notices you received, and your driving record. Next, visit the Ticket Clinic website to access their resources. Look for the section dedicated to traffic violations. Here, you'll find information about various traffic offenses and possible defenses. Create an account if necessary to access personalized services. After that, fill out the consultation form with your details. Be sure to include specific information about your violation. This helps Ticket Clinic assess your case more effectively. Once submitted, expect to receive a response from their team. They will evaluate your situation and suggest the best course of action. Follow up with any additional information they may request. Afterward, schedule a consultation with a Ticket Clinic attorney. During this meeting, discuss your concerns and ask questions. The attorney will explain your options for contesting the ticket. Make sure to take notes during this conversation for future reference. Next, prepare any evidence or witness statements that support your case. Submit this information to your attorney for review. Once you have a solid defense strategy, decide whether to contest the ticket in court or negotiate a settlement. If you go to court, ensure you understand the process and your role. On the day of your appearance, arrive early and dress appropriately. Stay calm and confident as you present your case. Finally, follow any post-hearing instructions from the court or your attorney. By carefully following these steps, you can effectively improve your traffic violation defense with Ticket Clinic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.